Good morning. Hi, guys. Happy Monday. I hope you all had a great weekend. Took a little break from all of the schoolwork. I know it was kind of rainy out and crummy weekend, but I hope that you found some things to do and hope you are doing okay. I miss you. I miss you so much. We are starting another week together. I sent an email out late last night, as intended for this morning, about what our plans are. So we're coming to the point where the packet that they sent home is coming to an end. It's supposed to take us until this Wednesday, but I know some of us have worked through it a little bit quicker. So what I'm going to be doing is trying to figure out the best way to get work to you. I'm going to continue to do videos, but we're going to start moving towards working on some new things. I've been doing review. I've been kind of doing a little of this, a little of that, but we're going to have more of a schedule. We're going to be learning some more, of course, learning some more, but learning new things that we haven't maybe done yet. So the videos might be a little bit longer. You're going to work with me. So I'm figuring it out along with you. So I really appreciate your continued patience with me as we figure out how to do this together. So we're going to get started for today. It is our 125th day of school. Even though we're not together, we still are counting our days. We're going to start with our pledge like we would right in class every day. It's how we start our day. And then we'll get to our school day count. So let's do it. Here we go. Today, I will do my best to be my best. What I do today will make a difference. My choices will affect me and those around me. I will be in control. I'll be focused. I'll be kind. I will be cooperative. I will bring my greatness. I will learn something today because today matters and my future is built one now at a time. Even though we're not together, that pledge is something we should follow every single day, right? Especially the cooperative part. It's very different needing to learn and do schoolwork at home. Very, very different. So we need to try our best to bring our greatness in any way that we can. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with our 125th day of school here. All right, nice, clean, shiny board for us. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our base 10 blocks. Right now we have a flat, 2 longs, and 4 cubes. We need to add another cube for today to make 125. These lines are for our expanded form. These are our base 10 blocks. So our first number is our number in the hundreds place. We have one flat. One flat is worth 100, right? The second number is our tens place. Our tens place has our longs. We have 2 longs, so that makes 20. And then our last or third place is our ones. So we have 5 ones. So in our expanded form, we're going to put the number 5 there. Right? We add our numbers together. 100 plus 20 plus 5 is going to give us our number 125. Just breaking it into its parts. So for our tally marks right now, we have 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 24 tally marks. We need 125. So we're going to go ahead and make another group of 5 there for ourselves. We now have 5 groups of 5 plus our 100, which was 20 groups of 5. So maybe we can come back to that for a name for today. And then for our money right now, we have $1 and 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so whenever we have a number with a 5 or a 0 in the ones place, there's always some kind of exchanging we can do with our money. So what can we do with our money for today? There's actually 2 different things that we can do. Okay, we can take our pennies. Yep, I know some of you. So we could take our pennies and we can exchange those pennies for a nickel because 5 pennies is equal to the same as a nickel. Right, so now we have 2 dimes and a nickel. So that's 10, 20, 25. So we still have $1.25. But there's even one other exchange that we can do. What else could we do with those coins that we have to come up with $1.25 using the least amount of coins possible? Yeah, so we could take those 2 dimes and that nickel, and we can go ahead and exchange them for a quarter. Now, if we had our dollar bill, okay, if we had our dollar bill broken up into quarters, that would be 4 quarters, and then this would now be its 5th quarter. So you can also make $1.25 with 5 quarters. All right, so if we have a 5 in the ones place, you can have these guys partnered up and these guys partnered up. They kind of make little smiley faces, but this guy's left out all by himself. We know that 125 with a 5 in the ones place is odd or even. Okay, it is odd because not everybody can be partnered up with somebody. Right? How about some names for today? What are some different names that we can come up with for today? 125. So hopefully you already came up with some and have them ready for me. If not, pause me right now, come up with 2 or 3, and then unpause me, and you can share with me and see if the ones I have match the ones you came up with. All right. So one thing we could do is I was thinking about, now this is like a big name for today. I was thinking about how we said 5 quarters could make 125. So we actually could say 5 quarters, so that's what that 5 is, and 25 cents each. Ooh, 5 times 25 could actually make today's number. And we could look at our tally marks for that as well. Remember, this was 20 groups of 5 with 5 more groups of 5. So that would be, again, 25 times 5 would just be the turnaround fact for this one. All right, what else could we do? Yeah, we could take 75, right? And we can add 50 to it. 75 plus 50 would be one way. What could be another way? Sure. Okay, so 60 plus 60 is 120 plus 5. Okay, so that's 3 names for today. There's lots more names that we could come up with. Hopefully you were really creative this morning and came up with some on your own. So that's it for our school day count. Take a look at the weather outside. I'm looking and it's kind of cloudy out there. Not raining, but pretty cloudy. Check the temperature. Make your prediction first. Check. And if you are keeping track on your own of your own little weather chart, go ahead and add today to that weather chart. All right, guys, I'll see you in a little bit. Bye.